In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to freeze columns in Google Sheets, a skill that can significantly enhance your productivity and organization when working with larger data sets. Let's dive right in. Start by opening Google Sheets and selecting the specific sheet where you'd like to make these changes. If you're not already familiar with Google Sheets, you can access it directly through your Google account by navigating to the Google Apps section and clicking on Sheets. Once you're inside your desired spreadsheet, take a moment to look at the layout and decide which columns contain the data you want to keep visible at all times as you scroll. The first step in this process is to click on the letter B at the top of column B. This action highlights the entire column, indicating that any subsequent operations will apply to this column specifically. It's essential to choose the correct column since you can only undo these steps by repeating them or using the toolbar options. Now, with column B selected, direct your attention to the top menu where you'll find the View tab. Go ahead and click on View. This drop-down menu provides various options for adjusting your worksheet's visibility and layout settings. From the View menu, navigate down to the Freeze option. Hover your cursor over it, and a side menu will pop out providing more specific freeze options. Here, you'll click on Up to column B. This selection means that columns A and B will remain fixed in place on the left as you scroll horizontally through the rest of your data. Freezing these columns can be particularly helpful when you need to keep reference data in view while working with larger data sets that extend beyond the immediate screen space. To see the effect of your changes, use the horizontal scroll bar at the bottom of the sheet. Click and drag it to the right. You'll notice that while other columns move off screen, columns A and B remain visible. This functionality allows you to compare and examine information efficiently across your spreadsheet without losing sight of the critical reference data. And there you have it. You have successfully learned to freeze columns in Google Sheets. This simple but powerful feature can immensely improve how you interact with your data, offering a clear view of essential information while you manage and analyze other parts. Remember that practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to try freezing different columns in different sheets to find the best setup for your work. Thanks for joining me today, and if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to follow for more tips and tricks on mastering Google Sheets and other productivity tools. Until next time, happy data managing.